Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're going to explore a very deeply emotional and legally complex issue: the legal risk of adoption reversal during a Texas divorce case. So whether you're the adoptive parent, the biological parent, or simply navigating a divorce involving adoptive children, this is a topic that demands careful understanding and attention. When a couple in Texas adopts a child together, that decision is legally binding and it's permanent. The adoptive parents assume full legal responsibility for the child, just like biological parents would. However, when that same couple decides to divorce, there's questions sometimes arise. Can one parent reverse the adoption to avoid financial or custodial responsibility? The short answer is going to be no. Well, not easily anyway, and not without serious legal and emotional consequences for the family and the child. Texas law treats adoptive children the same as biological children. So once the adoption is finalized, the adoptive parent has the same duties and rights as if they were the child's birth parent. So you can't just go drop your kid off, at the fire station. Trying to undo an adoption in the middle of a divorce, it's rarely successful, and it's seen as an attempt to avoid child support or parenting obligations, which the court takes very seriously. It looks bad on you as a parent. Not only is an adoption reversal in the context rarely granted, but it can also reflect poorly on that parent. Like I just said, family courts in Texas prioritize the best interest of a child, and a parent attempting to distance themselves from an adopted child can definitely be seen as fishy and acting contrary to that standard, which is best interest of a child. Judges may interpret this attempt as abandonment or a lack of commitment, which can affect the outcome of custody, visitation, and even property divisions, and you still have to pay child support. Additionally, trying to reverse an adoption can open the door to long-term legal disputes, not just between divorcing spouses, but potentially involving the child, CPS, or other agencies. It can also cause emotional trauma for the child, who may already be navigating that instability of divorce. If you're facing a divorce in Texas and you've adopted a child, it's vital to seek legal advice before making any decisions that could affect your parental rights. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we're here to help, and we care. We want to guide you every step of the way through complex aspects of your case. So just please schedule your free 30-minute consultation with us today, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.